Alexa, I'm home.
Welcome home. It's nice to have you here.
Hi, I'm Neha Shah, and welcome to apartment 2506 in the award-winning Civic Heart development in South Perth. Located on the 25th floor of Perth's tallest residential building, this stunning 142 square metre upgraded apartment features smart home technology, allowing you to control your blinds and lighting with ease. Civic Heart offers an unparalleled living experience with world-class amenities, all in the vibrant heart of South Perth. To find out more, get in touch today at civicheart.com.au.